Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix GUNTOUCHABLES crashing to desktop or crashing at startup, black screen, not launching or won't launch, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or freezing issue on PC. So here follow the fixes. Solution is to simply just restart your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on restart. And once your PC restart, then launch the game and check if it works or not. Now the first fix is to modify the game launch option. So try the -DX11 or -DX12 in launch option. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on GUNTOUCHABLES game and select properties. In the properties type -DX11 and close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties. This time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If still not working, again go to properties, remove the command and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Second solution is to run the game as administrator from the game installation folder or try running the game in compatibility mode. So to do this, open Steam, right click on GUNTOUCHABLE games, select manage browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. So first double click this GUNTOUCHABLE exe file and launch the game and see if it works or not. If not, then right click on it, select properties, go to compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK. Now launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and hit apply, OK. Then launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then in compatibility mode select Windows 7 from the drop down, hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then this time click disable full screen optimization, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. When you check mark these boxes and still your game is not working, then go to compatibility tab, uncheck all these three boxes, hit apply, OK, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Third solution is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have AMD driver, then go to AMD website, and if you have NVIDIA graphic card, then go to NVIDIA graphic card driver website. Link is given in the video description. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to NVIDIA official website. Now here you have to select your graphic card driver version and select the Windows operating system and then click on find. Now whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. Click on view, click on download, and once it is get completely downloaded, then double click to launch it. Run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom option and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So you have to select this perform a clean installation box and then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. If not, fix 4 is to install Visual C++ files. To do so, go to this Microsoft official website, scroll down. Now download x86 version and download x64 version. Download both the version, and when this get downloaded, then double click the x86 version, and if you see install, then install it, and if you see repair option, then repair it. Then again double click this x64 version, and if you see install button, then install it. If you see repair button, then repair it, and then you can launch the game and check problem fixed or not. Fifth solution is to allow the game exe file through control folder access and firewall. So to do this, in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection, then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now browse to the game installation folder. Go to this PC, C drive, open program x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam app folder, open common folder, open GUNTOUCHABLES folder. Now select GUNTOUCHABLES exe file and click open to add it to the list. Now again in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. Now to go to game installation folder, go to this PC, program x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam app folder, common folder, GUNTOUCHABLES folder. Now select GUNTOUCHABLES exe file and click open to add it. Click on add. Okay, in my case GUNTOUCHABLES is already added in the list. You can see GUNTOUCHABLES is already added, and make sure both private and public state mark. Then click on OK to confirm, and then launch the game and check. Sixth solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. To do so, in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app. Now go to game installation folder, go to this PC, program x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, GUNTOUCHABLES folder. Now select GUNTOUCHABLES exe file and click on add. Now scroll down, expand GUNTOUCHABLES. Next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can launch the game and check. Seventh solution is to verify the game files. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on GUNTOUCHABLES files, select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification of the game, you can launch the game and check. Eighth solution is to update Windows. To do so, click on Windows icon, go to settings, on the left click on Windows update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install all of them, and then you can launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Simply uninstall the game, delete the game folder related to GUNTOUCHABLES, then restart your PC and reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD, and if you have installed the game on external drive such as E drive or F drive, then install in C drive, and then you can launch the game and check. By this way you can fix crashing, not launching, not loading, stuck on black screen or freezing issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.